Good afternoon, guys. Today we are going to section. We are drawing our section from year to year. What is section? Section is the aspect of you showing internal part of the building. You cut. This is you as a human being. You are moving. You are looking like this. You are going like this. You are looking here. This is where you are looking at the direction. So you are going sideways, 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 sideways. You are not facing here. You are going sideways with your side. You are moving with your side. You are putting your right leg, right leg, right leg, right leg, right leg, right leg. You are looking here. This is you as a human being. This is your head. This is your eyes. This is your eyes. You are going like this. 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 You will enter this wall. You are still going. You are looking at this window. You are still going. You enter this wall again. Go outside. As you are going, you are looking this side. You won't see this window. As you are going, you are looking at your front. You are looking at your front. So, and there's no how you draw this wall in your section line that you will not show what this wall is sitting on. That's the foundation. You can't just put a block on the floor. The block is standing on something. So let me go on with the asymmetrical view of how it is. Let's assume this is your land. This is your land. This is your land. You want to build a shop there. A shop. When you dig, you will see this. You see this. This is your asymmetric view after you dig. After you dig. After you dig. So when you dig, you see this void. This is where you are putting your block inside. So before you lay your block on this place that you dig out, don't forget, this is your land though. Your land. So when you dig out, you set out for shop. It's one shop. There's no way you draw what your block is sitting on without drawing the foundation. So at first, after they dig finish, they will first pour a blinding. A blinding. You can call it laying concrete. A mixture of sand, granite with less cement. Just small blinding of 50 mm. 50 mm. You know, this is your trench that you dig out now is 675 because your block is 225. You cannot dig the exact size of the block. You have to offset 225 left, 225 right, so that the block can sit internally on your trench very well. So after digging out, you pour your blinding, 50 mm link concrete blinding, just to have a new and balanced surface. That's 50 mm. On your section line now, this is your section line. Section line of this side. If you cut like this, you see this side like this. See this side like this. So this is your section line now. Pour your 50 mm concrete blinding, link concrete blinding. After that, we have foundation footing. That's if your soil test shows that you are doing footing, not raft. 225 foundation footing. After you pour that, then your block can sit on this. 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 This is your block. This is a journey of the block, journey of the block, journey of the block. So this is the concrete footing. So when you are done, you backfill, you backfill, you backfill, you backfill, you backfill, you backfill to balance with your lateral filling to balance. To balance your land. This isometric view shows. Let me show you how it is. Assuming you have poured your concrete footing, your blinding concrete footing on it. This is what you'll be seeing after you pour. You can see this is a hollow block. They will arrange the block inside this trench. So that's foundation. So we are going into drawing of section now. I just have to explain this for you guys to understand the isometric view of how sections look like in 3D. So I will start the drawing of sections now. See you in the video.